Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy Bitcoin on Kucoin App. Open the Kucoin app and sign in or create an account, then complete any required identity verification promptly. Navigate to Markets or Buy Crypto, choose BTC, and pick your payment method. Set a market or limit order, review fees, and confirm the trade. Stay calm, double-check addresses, and consider small test purchases before larger amounts for safety. Let's talk payment options in a friendly way so you feel confident. Card purchases are fast but often cost more, while bank transfers can save on fees and offer larger limits. Depositing crypto is usually cheapest if you already hold coins elsewhere. For new users, link a verified bank account to reduce friction. Always check estimated fees on the confirmation screen and pick the option that balances speed, cost, and convenience. Placing your first BTC order is simpler than it sounds, and I'll walk you through it warmly. Choose a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to target a specific price. Enter the amount in BTC or your fiat amount, then inspect the fee estimate and final conversion carefully. Confirm when you're ready and monitor your portfolio. Small test orders build confidence and help avoid costly mistakes when trading larger sums.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.